We're gonna be heading to Party Hard Tuesday. This is what, the second day in Tokyo. Yeah. So just gonna go, fuck some shit up, have some fun, man. Alright, let's do it.
Spend extra for convenience because right now, look at this now. In a place like this, you can't bomb a clot of food to lose a drop of it in the fire.
Not even a crumb.
Is there a way to come up with like easier way to offer people for rope out or all?
Well, there are machines that do it and stuff, you know.
No, but I mean, or it just sounds individual.
Shut the man.
iPhone? iPhone? Yeah.
Kana. Ohayou gozaimasu.
KDP.
Video.
Oh, Shingoku.
Shingoku?
Genki?
何これ
マジック
iPhone?
全然違うマジック
マジック
そうそうそう
Anything when they do say a bomb or a clot, them say in Jamaica. Let me tell you this, you see, all of us up in a Timberland and for a yard, stop it. It is cold. Tokyo, love, arigato.
Alligator. So alligator.
And if you don't know what I said, just think alligator. Alligator. Nice vibe. Culture of Asia. I love it. We live here. Aren't you really? I don't know. Maybe I eat 320.
Oh, so, what do you think of the party, though?
Winning.
I mean, it's not Jamaica, but
If I have right, man.
because
Yeah,
you
man.
can get
At the end of the day, you can
Party
see the
Hard
love.
Tuesday.
Yeah, man, Party Hard Tuesday, man. I mean, here one out. The love in a Tokyo different. You see me and say fireball. So we have to give that thanks, you know. Bless up, man, Party Hard Tuesday. And all the selected them are spinning Jamaican music in Japan and Tokyo and all over the world. Bless up. You see, the Birdheye View. Yeah. Vape life.
Yeah.
Hold on then. Alright, bro. What time is it now?
No, it's Chinese. Multi-language. So now we're gonna get some ramen.
So what are you not getting a real Japanese one?
There's ramen, but just you order it. So order no cashier, that's the cashier.
Oh. No fucking cashier?
No, that's the cashier. You pay there.
Robot like.
Real robot. I don't know what, not like. Okay, so my ramen here, but you have to get it without pork, because you know, Rastaman that the pork thing, you know, it works out already, you know.
Oh, what we get? Shrimp? A whole bunch of change. I think not 950 right now. Yep, 950, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Yeah. I think we're doing well. 4, another 5. So it's 1,000 yen. I need to put it in a bag.
So this is like $10.
Yeah, I mean,
Real rich.
tanta money.
Tanta
money right now.
Yo, Tanta, you just know.
One. Yeah. But I was telling you, authentic. I mean, Call it
Ayashan.
ramen.
Ayashan. Where all them meats are come from, Ayashan?
I don't eat
You don't eat no
You don't eat porks. You put in my plate. Did I tell you I wanted to eat pork? Oh, you just being considerate. Okay. I understand.
I thought. I don't like the name, but it's. So them say it in a Japanese ramen, no?
Oishi ramen. Oh, this?
Yeah.
Oh, this is oishi ramen.
Oishi ramen.
Yes, oishi ramen. Oishi mean delicious.
Delicious. Alright then.
So it's delicious ramen.
It is what it is. Right after the party. Let the guests off after the month. Hello.
So today is the third day. I'm in Tokyo hanging with Birdheye from No-maddz. So yeah, last night we went to party hard Tuesdays. It was crazy. Even though I'm still a bit tired. No, correction, I'm very tired, but bar keeps going. So now we're heading back to Shibuya, back to the hotel, picking him up, and then we're gonna head to Skytree and then try like some local Tokyo food. So yeah man, round 3, here we go. So always the event.
Yeah, man, party hard, you know. We give thanks, still rebuilding. Swear to them, vibe nice. You know what I mean? Good vibe, good energy. You know what I'm say, yeah. Still voting up.
Yeah man, it was crazy man. Seriously fun. Yeah, so now we're heading to what's that I'm not here. What's the temple called? Yeah, so now we're going to Sensoji Temple.
Yeah, man.
So we're going to Sensoji Temple, you know, go do some religious things, some tourist things, and then we're going to look at some Skytree things. See me? Alright, see you in a bit. Man, so make it to the temple. You know, real old school, real traditional.
The photo with them?
No, collect those girls to say happy birthday.
Oh God. Yep. Tons of people.
And look, you're supposed to be the most awkward person in Japan, right?
Who the God?
No, right?
Oh, whoa. Come like one of those movies, you must swipe them way.
All of a sudden, people
Is it ready for me, Mr. God? Me too. Come on.
Blow this side.
Give me some of the bomb across.
Yes, I need the healing.
Yeah, man, if you go your side there.
Yeah, I'm going over here. I need
Let's see.
It don't run from me. It don't run from me. It don't run from you.
We're
not getting no healing. I guess we're not sick. I'm waiting for the healing.
Alright. Yeah man, bring in, yeah man.
腰とか
Push kata.
Yeah, kush? Yeah man, kush, like, I like kush.
You want to breathe this? Yes?
What this?
Yeah.
Bring
Yes, to get rid of like bad luck, bad omen, everything. Get rid of crosses. Yeah man.
to get
At the lava.
can get stuck with
Yeah. Come on. Yeah? Yeah, everybody. We're going to meet God. You can't meet God with dirty hands.
definitely that statue girl, when even the statue apart, touching herself. Should have to come here and
Yo.
Only in Japan does
what? Yeah. So people kept the water is drinkable.
Yeah, some people drink it, but that's like OD, isn't it?
The line is forgot.
So, alright, I just got me a new Omamori today. Like, good luck. So this is the old one. I got this one early this year. So I'm gonna return this one, and this is going to be a new one coming 2017. So I think this one is for good health. Because yeah, this year we're going big next year, you know, so I need good health. So.
I ain't broken, man. You come here, make out the ball at the temple. This is how we do. You buy a good thing. We're going back to Jamaica for ward off evil for the money. We're buying this for the money of Spanish town.
We want to cancel Christmas.
And happy family. We can keep it in the home.
Shit, when they want to cancel Christmas, you see me?
Yeah, for ward off evil. You see me, I say, how much? Ah. Hi. Okay. Yeah, you know we do what we do. You know this can go around the world with it.
This is it.
Ah.
Look at my lunch.
Oh, okay. It's nice.
Yeah, the presentation is everything.
Everything, man. Oh my word.
Remember, so this Friday it's Torinoichi, right? The special edition.
Oh. Alright, so we're about to go up in Sky Tree. So are you excited? Are you guys excited? You're gonna go high? You're gonna get high. Yeah man, imagine I've been here for what, 3 years and it's gonna be my first time. Okay, so we're going in. Is it moving? I think so. I feel a little thing at the back of my head.
The same floor. Oh.
No, it didn't go anywhere. It didn't work. Yeah, so we're not quite at the top yet, but we're getting there. See what I'm talking about? It's a different experience.
I'm turning it up, wait.
Wow. Wow, we're at the top now. Whoa.
Next stop is the Tokyo Skytree Tembo Deck, floor 345. Tokyo Skytree Tembo Deck, フロア345に到着いたします。ドアが開きます。指などを挟む。
popcorn. We are in Don Quixote in Asakusa. Just to listen to some popcorn, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you do when you're in Tokyo, you know? No. Let's just see what you have in your basket.
You have talking dogs. Yeah. Portable ashtray. You have a fan there for when it gets hot. And you have this toy game on Japan. It's a chase up and catch it. On top, we have a
Yeah. You know you have to.
and then hold on. And where's the rolling machine? And then we have a rolling machine. That's the test. And then you have
Last but not least.
96% spiritus. Veiw?
Yeah. That's cabbage. Yeah, I just wanted the time to say a big thank you to Birdheye from No-maddz and his wife for coming and spending time with me in Tokyo. This past 3 days has been crazy. It's been a lot of fun. I mean, Club Cactus, good vibes, party hard Tuesday, Munja man, love the food, respect. So until next time, stay rad, stay wide, and stay awesome. Peace.
Ice cold like somebody that I wouldn't know. I feel no remorse driving down the same dirt road.